Hey people, we're back, man. Listen, quick update. Last week, last game of the season, we didn't, last game of the season we didn't play because they bottled it basically. We won the league, we got promoted, we're in Div 2 now. So fast forward, Div 2, first game in. You know what's going on, man. Let's get it cracking. CC, you already know the name. They ain't turned up. Alright people, these are the results from last week. The game we didn't play, we got the forfeit where Girls United lost and we won the league. I can say Div 4 champions, first time round, promoted into Div 2. It's been glorious. We go again. This is how Div 2 looks. So bunch of good teams in there. They've put us at the bottom of the league, but we won't be staying there for long. You know what it is, man. Get your tea, get your biscuits, get your juice and your snackings, and let's get into it. Alright, straight into it, man. Div 2 against a team called Crouch Potatoes. You know what's going on, man. The CC win the building. Let's just shout out the chairman, and let's shout out all the players then, and let's shout out yourselves, because without you lot, we wouldn't be here, yeah? But you know what's going on, man. Div 2 and we're straight into it, into the thick of things. So anyway, we're playing a team called Crouch Potato. I know nothing about them. Every week is going to be the same. We want that same outcome as last season, promotion. We want Div 1. That's where we deserve to be. Anyway, the man them are locked in. We're in the booth. It's an early one.
Great ball.
That's 1-0 up. Div 2. They're meant to welcome us. We're welcoming them. Anyway, early start. Let's get this one cracking. They look like a ball inside. I don't know much about them, like I said. So I don't know what's going to happen. But I remember on the day, that guy with the black boots, decent player. He's got the little Jack Grealish thing going on with the hair. Decent player, like I said. Anyway, I try to go for the shot. It's blocked. Start again. H with it. Back to the boy Matt. Matt, you know he's going to control the game at the back. He can slow it down. You know what H is on though. Runs forward and everybody. Anyway, they're coming forward. They're with it. They try and make a slight thing.
Well, Matt's
there, man. Again, they're coming forward. They're 1-0 down. I think they're trying to get back into the game. No good. It's blocked. Start again. From the way we started off, you'd think that we was in Div 2 before.
Finish.
That's another one for us. 2-0. It's the silent assassin, the boy Scarface. Anyway, 2-0 up. Doesn't mean a lot in fights. There's still a lot of time. Anything can happen. We yet to see it though. Anyway, they strike. Sam saves.
Time.
Anyway, we're just controlling the play, keeping the ball. Ball's been moved around well. You know when Jake gets the ball, he's going to do a little something. Make something happen. That's a great ball forward.
Unlucky.
Probably should have finished that one though.
Work it back then.
Chris on the sidelines telling us to work it back. Chris, why aren't you playing, mate?
Well played, Matt.
Matt would have a great block.
Already, man, he's on it.
They look for the quick free kicks, no good. Nothing comes from it. Anyway, this guy I told you, he's got a bit of trickery in it.
Well in.
I get it back. Pass out to H. H had to run. Lose it. I get it back. Nice switch across.
Go again. Well played.
The boys are making motion.
Oh,
He's taking it off my toes there. Little tussle in the corner. Nothing comes from it. Anyway, we're coming forward again. It's a nice comfortable start to Div 2 for us. We're making it look easy. Woo! Long range strike from the boy Matt. That one must have hurt. Anyway, yellow coming forward. They've lost it again. Common theme. Again, our shape is great though. H is one of those splitting balls that we used to seeing. It's H with it. Unlucky.
we were winning, so we lost on our.
Anyway, yellow's coming forward. Crouch potatoes. I think on the day their best two players for me were probably red boots and black boots. They were decent. Anyway, H with one of his classical finishes. It's a good save from the keeper. Jake and H linking up as usual. You know it's serious.
He hears too much. He needs it, man.
Anyway, Cam with it, loses it, unlucky. Yellow coming forward.
Let's get it back. Well done, H.
One back, Sam collects. Start again.
He's going to start playing. Cam's always played for me, whatever.
That's a great ball. Unlucky.
Yeah. So
Ball through, just too much on it.
Yeah, me and Cam
Run through to the keeper. Anyway, they start again, they come forward.
3-2,
It's no good.
And then the team was good. No. I mean, so Cam said we can make our own team, and then he said the keeper.
Mistake from Sam. They punish us.
Could have
It's
caught that
2-1.
kick. You're fucking keeper, baby. Was it you?
Oh, it's me, yeah.
Yeah, you got smacked in the face.
Yeah,
Or
puts
something,
my lip and
yeah,
nose.
I remember that, bro.
Good. Yes.
Well then, Matt.
It's 3-1 to us. Told you we're making it like we're the ones who are Div 2 team when this is probably a more seasoned team than us. Doesn't matter, we'll come from wherever we are. Div 2, this is how we're making the move. We're in motion.
Unless you're in Div 1, you're not really playing. And anyway, don't get me wrong, it's nice to win the league. I mean, the amount of money you pay, you don't even get a fucking trophy. You know what I mean? You think you'd at least get a fucking trophy? It's only Div 1 you get a trophy.
Punters on the sideline waffling. They're going to miss
Lucky
it.
Cam.
Cam with a shot. H gets it back. Into the corner, out of the corner. No look pass. Cam with it. Takes his player on. Passes to H. H to Jake. You know how that approach, Chase. It's 4-1. In motion. The boys are playing well, man. I can't complain, man. Right now, it's just a joy to watch, man. We've come from Div 4. We started. We skipped Div 3. Shout out apparently because they knew that it weren't adapting, man. Yeah, so we have to big them up as well. So Div 2, we're here, and I would say we're battling.
Lucky.
But we look at the better side right now. 4-1 up. Not half time yet. Still plenty of time to go. They can come back. Anything can happen. But I don't think from winning we've ever lost. I could be mistaken. Anyway, battling in the corner. What's going on? Trying to get out. Trying to lift it out. They intercept. They start again.
Oh shit, I missed it. Is that a goal?
5-1. I know he's not going to want to see that again. Anyway, they get a shot off from kickoff.
Work it back then, yeah?
Sam saves. Anyway, we start again. They get a ball across. Sam saves. Anyway, they're trying to string a few passes together. Make something happen. They've been blocked in 2 against 1. They found the pass out though. They're trying to move the ball side to side. Trying to make the gap. It's no good. They've been pushed back.
Oh, you're not playing on the next pitch? I didn't realise, bro.
Yeah, I just
They come forward, they're trying something. Bit of twist and turns.
Mine, so fucking
I
good.
stole the ball. Coming forward. Cam!
Such a good player for a young lad.
Unlucky.
Such a dog, bro.
You got some fucking leg.
H and Cam linking up. It's looking good. Unlucky. H loses it.
Back as well.
Yeah, 100%. He's got some strength in him, hasn't he? Who did he play for 11?
Cam coming forward. Gets a shot
Unlucky Cam.
off the crossbar.
Oh, is it? That's Stanford, isn't it?
No, yeah.
And one of their better players coming forward. He does me,
then
then runs into trouble with H. No good.
Tournament or 7-a-side tournament. Last weekend, I think it was at Blackstone.
Punters on the side and having a good gossip. Let's listen in.
It's a great run, Matt. Unlucky. Save keep.
Their keeper with a great save there.
Yeah, I swear you had him in back, didn't you?
Nah, I didn't.
Oh, you was fucking meant to.
You never played.
You little, yeah. You kicked me out.
I did kick
You
you
fucking
out.
crybaby. You didn't play for a month. I'm kicking you Sundays, isn't it?
Backstory, they're talking about Sundays. Let's concentrate at the fives.
What's 4-1?
CC forever, Matt coming forward. He's one of our own.
Weekend off the weddings.
Yeah, it starts
When you step over the line for
next
CC,
week, doesn't it? Weddings.
I don't know.
Yeah.
you become
What
family.
did you say you was?
I'd do anything for him.
I swear that you were celebrating something this weekend. Because I went to Leicester.
Ascot.
I was in Leicester yesterday, innit? And
They were celebrating Leicester.
yeah, I was in Leicester last night, bro, and I was in the area.
Just showing
where
us he's
literally-
well versed.
That big fucking white building with the gold bricks on the top. That where the
He's distracting
I'm
us.
assuming it's like a religious building or whatever. it is.
They get one back. It's 5-2.
It was a good clearance, to be fair.
Cam coming forward. Gets a shot off.
whoa, I might
Saved
put the gloves
by the
away.
Yellow coming forward.
Well in, Matt.
Welly!
Not gonna lie, Matt's got the ball there and he's off.
Hey, back on it then, back on it.
Fucking dog. No way, unlucky.
Anyway, they lose the ball.
Well in, Matt again.
Of course, it's the boy Matt. Scarface coming forward. Takes one on, takes two on. Wriggles, gets a shot off. He's just wide. Anyway, Sam with it. Pass that to Cam, stands up his man. You know he's gonna find a little shimmy way around.
I'm getting mixed up with him indoors and middle.
Being pushed back, doesn't stop him. Gets his pass off. It's the boy Jake with it again. Another play that would have stand you up. I've got the ball, just rolling across. Taking my time. Little scoop left the player.
I love how you pulled out.
Pass to Cam. Cam to
I
Jake.
see that.
Jake gets a
Come
shot.
on,
It's
work
blocked.
it back, lads.
They come forward.
Aye, good save.
Sam with a good save.
Well in, Matt.
We start again. Sam out to Jake. Turns his man. Gets a shot off.
Ah,
Just stolen away from him. And they're in the corner, big battling. They've come out with it. They're driving forward. It's easy for Sam. Sam rolls out to Cam again. You know he's gonna stand you up. Try to turn you. Get away from you. Does his player. Ref doesn't call the foul for that one. I don't understand.
Clattered him there. Come on now.
Listen to punters on the sideline.
isn't it?
Told you, refs having none of it for us. Anyway, Cam gets the ball again, he slips, still gets past his man. 1, 2, 3, 4, gets a shot off. Keeper saved him there.
Come on, lads, you're getting lazy.
Lucky is greedy.
We got lucky there. Anyway, Jake on the wing coming forward. Scary sight. Stands you up.
Work it back
Lost
then.
it. It's a rare sight. H gets it back though. Works
Well
for
in,
your
that's
friend.
quality.
H with it. Gets shot off, blocked. That's one thing about us. We work for our friends.
Ooh. Work it back then, come on.
Anyway, they're coming forward.
Well in, Cam.
They lose it. Cam with it. Takes one on. Shot.
Alright, that's quality, Cam.
Keeper ain't saving that though. 6-2. It's not half time yet. But we're in motion. And you know when we're in motion, we're hard to stop. Anyway, Jake and Cam linking up well. Anyway, they come forward. 2 on 1. They pass it. Sam saves. Final pass. H. Switch play to Cam. Taking our time now. H. Jake. Link up. Jake with a great turn.
Got time. You still got time. You still got time.
Shot off the crossbar. It's unlucky. They work their way around.
Still same squad.
Bit of movement, bit of play. Cam steals it. They get a shot off. No good. I think Sam got fingertips to that one though. Anyway, that shot off the post. H nicks it.
Come on, ref. Ref ain't give nothing.
Ref ain't giving nothing for us. So we did it the hard way.
Well in.
7-2. Don't give us any fouls. We get angry, we score goals. CC. Heard known name. Anyway, yellows with it now. Crouch potatoes coming forward. They're like half in the game, half out. There's only 5 goals difference. They can still come back. Great turn. Off the post, off Sam. Who's used to talk about own goals? Half time, 7-3.
When Matt on,
When Matt's on,
you can't afford to have 3 people up. Yeah. It could be any of them tracking back, you know what I mean?
team in the blue, like Chinese.
Yeah, fucking quality lads.
It's the one and only Digo Double G.
I did. 7-3.
No, what's your thoughts?
Yeah, I said woohoo.
Oh, woo. I didn't hear. Cool.
Alright, I'm gonna go back and set up again.
Yeah?
Yeah. Still have time.
Alright, second half.
Couple weeks away.
First game, Div 2. We're here, man. Saj on the sidelines. He's saying that we should play them. Telling him, we're coming, don't worry, man. Your time will come. You want to play the clampers?
Good, Matt. Well done, mate.
You can play the clampers. Anyway, yellows with it. Crouch potatoes. He's done Jake with a 1-2 step over, shimmy shimmy. They're going forward. He's still on the ball. Maybe that was probably their downfall. They're not moving the ball quick enough. But hey, we're getting our job done. That's what we need. That's all that matters. Yeah. Anyway, not much coming from this. In the corner, he drives out. But wait, hold on. They've got one back. 7-4. They've come out the half-time firing. We need to pick it back up again. We need some of that special stuff. Anyway, Jake with it. Jake to H. You know it's a mix and match play. They got 3 behind the ball. H tries to get a shot off. It's just wide. We've seen those go window.
Okay.
Again, he's got the ball. He's driving from the back.
Yeah.
Goes forward. Takes 1. Takes 2.
They scored 1. It's 7-5, isn't it? No? Is it?
7-5. Think that guy was seeing the future. Let's ask him if he's win or lose. Anyway, H retrieves. Into the boy Jake. Jake with his little steppies. Gets a shot off. It's blocked. Anyway, H with it. Stands up his man. Always gonna find a good pass in. Gets it back. It's another one for the boys. Punters on the sideline telling them to sort the defence out. Doesn't matter. 8-5. It's poetry in motion. Hold on. I may have spoke too soon. 8-6. They get one back.
Oh fuck!
Oh, only 2 goals in it. Oh, and I missed a clear-cut chance there. Off the post.
Hold it.
Punters on the sideline saying I've bottled it. I want to see them do better. And then they're coming forward. This guy's got a shot on him. Just got to put him off balance. Scarface. Decided to keep it on. Just chipped it over him.
Soap on in your keeper's glove.
9-6. And they get one straight back.
Too easy, bro. You're too easy. Reeled in. Fucking hell.
9-7. Partners on the sideline, they want us to lose. I think we've got other ideas. Handball, ref's not calling it. I told you. Ref made us mad. So we did it the hard way. $10-7. This guy's got anger issues. He's wiping his thoughts away. And the Crash Potato was running out of ideas. Won the ball back. Shot. Hey, keeper's done well there. He's kept them in the game, let's be real. They're just keeping possession at the back. It seems like maybe that's their tactic. They stay at the back and then come forward. We won't mind that though. There you go, look, being pushed back. And they start again. Into their man, tries a little flick. It's no good, run straight through to Sam. Right, Jake with it. 1 man on him, 2 man on him. Not phased, still got it. Pass it to Matt in the corner. Matt comes out, pass it back to Jake. Flick across the H. Jake with it. 11-7. They're starting to bicker between themselves now. Jake just scored. And he just defended. Cam with the 1-2 to Matt. Matt said to keep it down. It's unlucky. 11-7. Still time for them to come back into the game. They get a shot off, it's off the goal. I think Sam might have got a touch to that one as well. It's unlucky they battled there. Alright, I get the ball to Cam. Cam to Jake. Jake to Cam. Gets a shot off. Just wide. Keeper was frozen though. Anyway, they're coming forward. They try and get a shot off this little ball into the corner though. He sold me a donut. Comes out one way. Gets a shot off. It's off the post. Anyway, Sam with it. Throws it to Matt. And they're going to slow the game down. We make space for him to run into. Gets a shot off. It's unlucky. I get a shot back. Keeper saves. I'm all over him. Somehow he's made it away. But Jake said to stop. Gets a shot off the crossbar. I think this guy's a bit dizzy. Told you. I think that's the same one that was wiping his thoughts away earlier. Anyway, just shadowing this guy. Tries to make me, it's no good. I'm gonna battle with him now. Push him back. No one's pressed with me, so they found the pass and found a way out. He tried to do me again. He's chopped me, but it's not gone far. Cam tries to find me, so unlucky. They get the ball, they're going forward. It's that boy there, Matt. Sam finds the ball out. Jake with it. You know he's going to stand you up and run at you. Ooh. Tricks us, finds the pass. Matt with a shot. It's unlucky. They're giving me time and shot. It's wide. Anyway, Crash Potato was coming forward. CP versus CC. The battle of the C's. At the moment we're winning. 11-7. Quick reminder. First game in Division 2. We're looking quite comfortable out here. Missing the boy Chippendale. Missing the boy Pat. Missing Tiago. Somehow they still won back. 11-8. Game still in the balance. They can still come back here. Anyway, we're driving forward. They nick it. Standing the boy Matt Stoll. They've seen all the hard work he's been doing back there. They know it's a key player for us. Anyway, nothing comes from that. We give it to them, give them an opportunity. I think Sam gets his fingers to it. Anyway, it seems that they've woken up, they can smell blood. But they're vegans. Anyway, slow it down. H in the corner, taunting his players. The battle continues. The quest to the top of the tree. H is shadowing. He's trying to pass.
Three of you.
Matt's cut out. Now they're driving 3-on-1.
Boys, come on.
H is shot just wide.
Punish him there, boys.
Boy Scarface saying we should be punishing them. Too right. H does so.
Come on.
12-8. 4 goals in it. There's still plenty of time for them to come back. Let's be real.
Yeah, he's not stay there.
Not gonna lie, in real time, it's hard to see that. It's hard to see that the ball's come off his head, but look what they tried to do. They tried to split it through. He's lost his legs. Anyway, we're driving forward now. Me into H. H back into me. Easy one. I've missed it. Keeper saved it. It's come straight back to me. I think I stayed back in defence.
Key man. On his own. On his own.
H steals. Makes up for my mistakes. 13-8. Game might be out of reach now. Starting to slow the game down. You can see the sunsets going down.
Live.
That must mean it's time to go home. Game slowed down to our pace now. 13-8. CC versus CP. CC's on top. But I think they've got other ideas. 13-9. The battle was still in true fashion. Pouncing on a mistake. Cam with it. 14-9. Hey, put one from my letterbox. Need to keep my legs closed. I'm in the corner, I'm talking to him. I'll tell you what I said. He couldn't do it again. Guess what? I think he can. 14-9. Anyway, we've got the ball back. That's all that matters. H with it. Slow it down. To the boy Jake. We need to punish them there. H reminding them. He's from the streets. Said you might be able to do it on my friend, but you can't do it on me. Anyway, shots wayward from Cam. Unlucky. They're batting in the middle of the park. The work rate's crazy. Jake making sure that one's in the roof of the net. 15-9. Final score. Div 1. We're live. See you again.
I forgot your water.
See you on the reverse.
Let me get a quick picture, guys. Jake, you got 6. Can we get a quick picture for you, girl?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
Here, money for shit.
Perry 4, Matt 2, Cam 2, and Jake 6.
Come on, boy.
15-9 end score.
Chris!
It was that last one for him, I was like,
Well, I said to him, ain't gonna get any easier. Then it fell back to him, and he still missed it.
Clambers on free, clambers on me, clambers!
You should have.
Hey!
Thanks, boys.
Alright, quick look at the scores around town. COG get a free win against nobody. CC do the job. JCFC do their job. Let's see the league tables. Alright, we'll sit in second. Week 1 doesn't mean shit. You know what's going on though, man. We're aiming for promotion this season. Farquad, can you smell something cooking? Anyway, you know what's going on, man. It's CC forever, man. We're locked in. Big up the chairman, big up the players, then. We'll see you next week.